Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw funds from your account in the Binance broker on the Binance Exchange using the USDT TRC20 method. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account in this broker using this method, and now we intend to withdraw this balance. To do this, you need to go to the Assets section and enter the overview. On this page, you can click on the Withdraw option. When you first enter this page, this section is set to Bitcoin. If you click on Withdraw Crypto again, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. We will use USDT on the TRX network. As you can see, the fee for this network is 1 USDT. Enter your TRC20 USDT wallet address in this section, and you need to enter the desired withdrawal amount here. The amount that will be sent to your wallet after deducting the fee will be displayed here. Click on the withdraw option, and if the details of this transaction are correct, click on continue. In the next step, depending on the security levels you have enabled for your account, you will need to confirm this withdrawal using the Authenticator app code and also confirm it via your email. You will enter the first section. Enter the one-time code from your Authenticator app in this section. After entering the code, the first part will be completed, and you will also need to confirm your withdrawal via email. Enter the code you received in your email in this section, and as you saw, your withdrawal request was successfully submitted. After a few minutes, you can see the withdrawn amount in your wallet, and the details of this transaction will be displayed at the bottom of this page. Well, that was the tutorial on how to withdraw from your Binance account using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.